Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you camera mode and low light tips on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra. First, if you have a low light scene, make sure to open the camera. Then go to More and click on Night Vision. Once you click on Night Vision, you can take a picture and tap to focus. I've got some pictures ready. This picture was taken with almost no light. And this is without night mode, but they still make it brighter. Here we have much better clarity. We can see every detail because of night mode. We got more pictures. This was taken with night vision and the quality is still there. This one was taken without night vision and there was a little bit of light. We have one more where we didn't use it and it looks pretty bad. That's it. We want to make sure we aim for something and we can tap to focus so the picture is better. You can try using normal photo and then boost exposure by tapping and swiping up. As you can see, the exposure is boosted until it's white and now it's black. So that's how you can do that. There's not much to talk about because low light is a hard way to take pictures. But with night vision, everything is possible because it makes everything bright, and then you can change something in post-processing like enhancing. We can crop it, use filters, and it will look much better. That's how you can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.